Okay, there this challenge involves reverse engineering a Python script. Okay, their first attachment is, you can see password protector.pic, that's the compiled Python code. So we have to decompile this file, and there are some messages, this encrypted message. We have to decrypt this message. Okay, we have to decompile this password protector POC from online tools, bilingual we can use, and there password protector POC was decompiled successfully. Here is our decompiled code. So we have to analyze this code first. Okay, the first we see the code uses the secrets module for generating cryptographic random bytes and the Base64 module for encoding or decoding data in Base64 format. Okay, the function is used to prompt gen. The main encryption process involves the following steps actually. There first, the content of top_sneaky.txt is read in binary mode. Okay, the second line you can see bit is the sequence of cryptographically secure random bytes is generated matching the length of first. Then third line is 1.5. This performs an XOR operation between first and bit is. XOR is a common operation is in cryptography because it is reversible when the same key is used. Okay, now the variable second, the XOR result is converted back into byte array. Then third, this byte array is Base64 encoded to create a string representation. Then fourth, each character in the Base64 encoded string is shifted by 1 using the flip-flops lambda function, which adds 1 to the ASCII value of each character, a basic form of obfuscation. Then the variable bit is enc. The randomly generated bit is sequence is also Base64 encoded for easier storage and transmission. And final one is fifth. A taunting message is returned containing part of the obfuscated data of fourth, and the Base64 encoded key bit is enc. Okay, now the challenge we can extract from there. There is two variable we can extract. First one is fourth. There is also a two part of this variable. There first one you can see, and the second part, if we check the code, there is pass and word. In between these two words we can extract our second part of the variable fourth. So from there, pass and word, okay, this is our value of second part of the fourth. Okay, and last one is bit is enc, which is Base64 format. Okay, here is our extracted data. So we can use this data to decrypt the flag. So first in solution you can see first one is decompiled data and second one is solution. So from the solution part we can see the message includes an obfuscated version of the Base64 encoded XOR result, the fourth, where each character was shifted by 1 in the ASCII table. So to reverse this, we use flip-flop reverse to subtract 1 from the ASCII value of each character, and then the decoding the base64 encoded data. The original third was base64 encoded, so after reversing the obfuscation we can decode this string back into bytes. Okay, now reversing the XOR operation, you can see that the original bytes is bytes XOR A XOR B for AB in zip, second and bits. Okay, in the encryption process, the original bytes from topsneaky.txt were XORed with random bytes bits, since XOR is symmetric. Applying the XOR operation again with the same random bytes will yield the original data. Here second represents the XOR bytes, and bits is the randomly generated byte sequence which was decoded from the base64 encoded bit sync. Okay, now decoding the final output. Actually, after XORing the bytes, we retrieve the original content which contains the flag. Okay, there, since the original bytes represent a text string, we decode it as UTF it. And here you can see, and after running this solution, you can see we got our flag, and this is our flag. So thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please subscribe and give the like if you think this video is useful for you. Thank you.